My name is Tarindu, student in University of California. I did my internship program in Atlas Auxilia Company Private Limited. Atlas Auxilia main operation is in manufacturing of school and office stationery. Atlas Auxilia work as a subsidiary of Hemas Holding. Operations are doing as a separate organization. Atlas Auxilia Co. Private Limited has introduced machines for man-made production. New machines will be introduced to replace those machines and to save the workforce in there. For the reduce the number of people working in the machines are modified and machines are linked to the another machines. We assign to make the machines and do a modification task related to that machines. My training was include tasks related to hands-on experience with PLC programming, electric wiring, pneumatics, HMIs, SCADA systems, VFDs, motors and motor drivers, other electric components. In addition, I was able to gain experience with arc welding, milling, cutting, drilling and power tools such as hand drill, bench drill, grinding and bench grinder. I was new to PLCs when I started the project, but I was able to quickly expand my knowledge and gain a lot of experience using PLCs in real-world applications. As well as I learned about the problems that might arise if I made a small mistake. And also during this training period, I was able to engage with a variety of companies, sponsors, events and PLC training and lean manufacturing events. In the university, I learned a lot of things related to the wiring, pneumatics and different type of sensors and actuators. It was a help of getting quickly understand about how machines work. As a result of my internship program in Atlas Auxilia, I can work with any working environment and I can designing, fabrication and assembly of any machines. So finally, I would like to thank Atlas Auxilia for giving me this internship opportunity working with their amazing environment. Thank you.